Welcome. In front of me is a UNIHERTZ Tank 3, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you'll want to open up your settings application, then scroll all the way down to System, Reset Options, and from here select Erase All Data Factory Reset. This will give you a list of data that will be removed by this process, which include things like your Google accounts, system app data, downloaded apps, music, photos, and user data. Out of this list, to be completely honest, only the three last options will matter: music, photos, and user data, as these are more unique to the user, unlike, for instance, downloaded apps, which you can re-download. So anyway, we're gonna, obviously if you want to, you could create a backup of it. You can do that to your computer or to Google account, whatever you want. Once you have done it, you can then proceed further. Or if you don't want to back up anything, you can also proceed right away. So I'm going to select Erase All Data once more. And this will now begin factory resetting the device. Now this process will take probably 2 minutes, 3 minutes maybe to finish up. And once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.